Yeah, get it, JT. Hi. It's you again. Just keeps popping up on me. This is awkward. Don't judge me. So, feel like you want some food, huh? It's breakfast time. You want some Pop-Tarts? We got some Frosted Flakes. Alright. I know what you want. I'm gonna make something good for you. Let me freshen up and get cleaned up and look good for you. And then we'll be over on the counter going through what we're gonna do. Come on back. Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Got a little more presentable for the cook today. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell next to it so you get all the alerts of everything we're doing. Doing 2 shows a week now. Check them out. Alright, so today we're going to be making a Country Benedict. Okay? It's not like an Eggs Benedict, it's just a play on it. I'm not a big fan of hollandaise sauce, so I'm going to make a country gravy, throw it over the top with my poached egg with a little sharp cheddar, sausage patty, and the toasted English muffin. It's going to be awesome. You'll love it. It's quick, it's easy, no big deal. My gravy's quick and easy. And it's a winner every time. Alright, so don't you dare, do not change this. Do not click off. I know all those shiny objects on the right side, on your right side, look good, and you want to like, what's that next guy doing? Don't finish it. I'm working hard for you. Stick around. Alright, come on back. Alright guys, here's the finished product. With that nice gravy on top of those perfectly poached eggs. Let's cut into one right here. Let all that goodness come out. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, come on back. I'll show you how to put this thing to bed. Alright guys, let's go over the ingredients for our Country Benedict. So we're going to toast up an English muffin or two. Got some sharp cheddar, pork sausage that we're going to make patties out of, and for the gravy, a couple eggs for poaching, little red onions for the pork sausage gravy, the flour for the gravy, the milk for the gravy, little smoked paprika. You know, I got that cracked black, and I'm going to saute the onions in extra virgin olive oil real quick. Come on back and I'll show you how we put it all together. Alright guys, we're back. I made some quick little sausage patties here. They're not all uniform, but hell, you know, it is what it is. So that one will probably come out a little bit sooner than the others. Gonna fry these up, leave the oil and grease in there, add the rest of our little sausage in there, chunk it up, put the onions in, and we'll start building that gravy. Got some water over here for our poached eggs. It's kind of just gonna come to a little rolling boil, a little simmer. It doesn't need to be boiling because it'll kill your eggs. And there goes some toast popping up. But come on back and we'll go from there. Alright guys, sausage patties are done. We get some onions in here. Now some people don't like onions, alright, and that's okay. Someone don't like onions in their sausage gravy. But for me, I think it makes it taste a lot better. I think this adds a certain something or something. Another onion, gosh darn it, can't keep a dang thing in this pot. Alright, anyway, so I'm gonna get these cooked through, little translucent. Add a little salt and pepper to it, a little cracked black, and then I'm gonna get that sausage, the rest of the sausage in here, and get ready to make our gravy. Come on back. Guys, we're back. Check it out, I fried up the sausage real nice and good. Look, it's all, dude, this is a meal right here. Put an egg in that bad boy and you're good to go. But we're gonna make this better. We're gonna make this tastier. You know you're gonna like it. Alright, so we're gonna add a little flour to it, because we're gonna make our sausage country gravy. So we need a little flour. Just put enough in there to coat everything. You're trying to go a little, you know, 1-to-1 with the oil in there. So you want to get it all, make sure you got it coated good. I like to put it in with the meat like this, so it has time to kind of cook through and it grabs the flavor of the sausage and the onions, and the oil gets absorbed real good. And I probably need just a little bit more. You don't want a lot of grease in your gravy. No one likes greasy gravy. Okay. I'm going to cook this down for a minute. Then come on back and I'll show you how to add the milk to it. All right, guys, we're back. Had a little bit of time for the flour to absorb in here. It's all kind of cooked through for a good minute or so. Now I'm gonna add some milk to it. All right, and just whisk it in slowly. Let it kind of come to temperature. I've let this milk kind of sit out a little bit and get, I don't want to say room temperature. It's still got a little bit of chill to it. Sorry, moving around. Let it come to room temperature a little bit. You don't want to put straight out cold milk into this. It'll tighten it up too soon. It won't taste good. It won't combine. You'll have lumps in your gravy. All right, so we're gonna get this filled in here. Get out a little bit more. Keep whisking. You're gonna see it thicken up damn near right away. All right, looks good. Oh gosh, you need to smell this. Everybody come to my house right now. This is so tasty. All right, so that's the rest of it. I'm gonna stir this around. Keep an eye on it. You know, I use 2 cups. You may need more, you may need a little less. I'm gonna keep whisking it around. But real quick, I'm gonna add my cracked black. I like a lot of pepper in my gravy. I'm a big fan of cracked black. So, but you guys do it to taste. I'm also gonna add a little smoked paprika in there, just a little bit. Little dab will do you. Just add that smoky heat in there. I like a little heat in my gravy, all right? So I'm gonna keep whisking this around. I'm gonna let it tighten up. And then come on back and I'll show you how we do this poached eggs. And then we'll build this bad boy. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We got this water into a kind of a rolling boil, nice little simmer. It's not boiling, we don't want it boiling, but we're gonna get this going. See how I'm turning this around? I'm getting inertia in there. So when I pour this egg in here, it's gonna wrap itself upon itself. If that makes sense. So all that white part is gonna see it's kind of wrapping into itself, give or take. To be honest with you guys, this is my first attempt at a poached egg. So it looks like it's gonna be all right. A little bit of flyaway over here, but we're gonna cook this down for about 2 minutes, and we'll pull it out, dab it off, and go from there. Come on back. All right, guys, we got it right here. There's our first poached egg. Gonna let it drain off, dry off a little bit. Make the other ones. Look, you got it. It's gonna be nice and runny in there. We got all the white parts cooked off though. So I'm gonna add this to the dish and come up. I'm gonna do the rest of them. Come on back. All right, team, we're back. We got the finished dish right here. Got the nice gravy over the top of the perfectly poached eggs, which is not bad because it's my first time poaching eggs. But we're gonna give this thing a taste. I've cut it a little bit already. Got the English muffin, got the sausage patty, got that sharp cheddar, the eggs, the nice country gravy. Yeah. You know it's good. Give this a shot. Very good tasting thing. Listen, let me know in the comments below if you like those little intro skits we're doing. I'm trying to have some fun with it. But you think it's a waste of time, you just want to get straight to the cooking, let me know. Thanks for stopping by today. And do all that stuff on the end card. Like, subscribe, share with the people. Once again, thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.